Hi, this video is hair transplant restoration surgery result by FUE method by Dr. Diep and Victor Cervantes, or better known as Ricky Martin. He's gonna share his experience to us about the hair transplant. But before Victor shared experience, I want to show the audience what he used to look like. Okay, and that's where he was before. Okay, and he's thinning. He has some hair, but he's thinning, and then a year later, right before, 1 year later, now you have nice volume, density, close up, right hand side, left hand side, look at that excellent density. And so Victor, okay, the stage is yours. Can you share your experience with the audience, Victor?
Sure. So basically, when I turned about 21, I started to notice my hair was thinning, and I started getting really scared. I'm kind of a nervous person, anxious person, and so as I kept having birthdays, when I got to about 23, 24, it really started to bother me. I started to see a lot of thinning in the front of my head. And not really in the back so much, but a lot in the front, and I wanted to feel young, and my friends had really great hair, and I was really worrying a lot about mine. So I started to use like things to darken my scalp, and I really depended on those things because I wanted it to look okay. And so then after a while it started getting so bad that nothing was helping anymore. And so I decided that I would start to do some research about hair transplant, and I researched. I'm a reader. I read a lot. I overread, and I started doing a lot of research here in the Bay Area since I'm from here, and I started looking at a lot of different doctors. I even looked at doctors in 90210 in LA, and I kept looking for results, and I came upon some videos done by Dr. Diep on YouTube, and I was just floored at the difference, and I said, this can't be real. It was just so amazing that, I mean, sometimes it seemed like the guy had zero hair, and then they would suddenly have this full head of hair, and from all of my research, I really found that his work looked really beautiful. And then, so I came to his office for a consult, and he told me that I was a good candidate, and I was really happy about that. And what I really liked about him when I talked to him is he was really passionate about his work, and I'm very passionate about my work. And so when I saw how he really loved his work, and he really loved the detail of his work and the art form, that's what made me really say, oh, this is my doctor for sure. So I went ahead and I did take it. Since I'm a Libra, it was hard for me to make a decision. So what I did was I waited a couple of years, and it also gave me some time to save money over time, and I did. And then when I was after 2 years, I came back to Dr. Diep, made an appointment, and I had the actual procedure done. And I'm a very nervous person, like I said, so I was really scared to have I was very anxious about it. But Dr. Diep's staff and Dr. Diep made me feel really at peace, and they were really kind to me. Everybody was very kind to me, and we had the procedure, so I felt really relaxed when I started, which is a first for me. And I had the surgery, and I went home, and it was definitely, I had some discomfort, but it wasn't that bad. I went back to work within 4 or 5 days, and that was it. And after the procedure, I just kind of waited for my results. I would say about 3 to 4 months, I already started seeing results. I kept my hair very short at the time. I shaved it. I used to shave it completely, but I could really tell that I was getting some more hair and darkening very fast. I didn't think it would come that fast. By 6 months, I was able to really see a lot of hair. It was like, it was fuzzy all over my head, and I would wear it short and kind of military style. And I was already starting to feel better about myself. And then by 8 to 9 months, I really had this. It was just like Chia Pet. It was just, it was amazing. And it's so funny because Dr. Diep told me at the beginning, oh, I'm going to make you look like Ricky Martin, and I didn't believe him. And now I just really feel really great about it. I feel like at the time I was getting depressed because I would see myself and I just didn't feel like myself. And to be able to have my hair back just really made me happy, you know. And I know it's a small thing, but it was something for me. So I feel like I did this for myself, and it was something for me, and I'm really happy that I did it. So I highly recommend Dr. Diep. I think he's a very kind man and a great doctor and very skilled, as you can see on my head. And the best thing is I used to go to only one lady that I trusted a lot to cut my hair, and I really love her still. But now I can go anywhere I want. I can go to any hairstylist I want. I can swim. I used to miss swimming. I used to go to the ocean and I wouldn't dip my head in the water because I didn't want anybody to know. And now I can wet my hair. I can swim. I can take showers at the gym. I know that sounds crazy, but I miss taking a shower at the gym and washing my hair in the gym. And I can do that now. And I just get out of the shower and I dry my hair in front of everybody, and I can do my hair there, and it's like a miracle. So I'm really grateful to Dr. Diep. Yeah,
Thank you. I mean, yeah, your experience talking about washing hair at the gym or going swimming, you know, some people take that for granted. But you know, when you start not being able to do that, and you worry, and you live under the hat and all stuff, or in topic when you worry about running down, this allow you to be liberated. And this type of story really, you know, for me, I take great pleasure out to get this one, and then motivate me to do the surgery and to do my best. And it doesn't hurt that Ricky Martin, I mean, so, Victor looks really good already, a handsome guy, and then it just enhanced my work. I'm just gonna show the audience one more time what he used to look like when he lost his hair, you know, and really good. And now this is what his hair looked like. Thank you.